Hi everyone. Modern science generally describes the universe as being in a continuous motion and does not posit absolute motionless reference point or foundation. Bharatiya Tattvashastra has a different perspective. According to Bharatiya Tattvashastra, the universe has a fundamental ground, that is, absolute stillness. If we examine these two perspectives carefully, an interesting question arises. Every moment seems to require a still reference. Yet, if absolute stillness is the ultimate foundation, then independent movement within that foundation is impossible. Stillness and movement are paradox. The deeper question is therefore is not simply why things move, but how a unified cosmic movement can arise in absolute stillness. Think about it. Thank you.